Shandong Denso Precision Tool Manufacturer specializes in the production of various types of milling cutters, blades, tool holders, and other special tools for machining. With excellent quality and stable performance, our cutting tools are made of high-quality materials and are wear-resistant, high-temperature resistant, and corrosion resistant, and can meet different processing needs. Whether you are milling, drilling, boring, or cutting, we have the right tool for you. Our cutting tools are widely used in aerospace, automobile manufacturing, machining, and other fields, and are deeply trusted by customers. Choose Shandong Denso Precision Tools to provide you with more efficient and better services for your processing. We also provide customized services, tailoring the most suitable tool solutions according to the special needs of customers. Our team has rich experience and professional technology and can provide you with a full range of technical support and after-sales service. Choosing Shandong Denso Precision Tools means choosing quality, choosing efficiency, and choosing trust. Let us work together to create a better future.